In this video, I will show you how to increase font size in WhatsApp in iPhone. Many people find that the default text size is either too small or too big for their taste. This can make reading messages a bit challenging. By adjusting the font size, you can make it easier to read and understand your conversations with friends and family. First things first, locate and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down a bit until you find Accessibility. Tap on it. Now that you're in Accessibility, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Here, tap on Per App Settings. This feature allows users to customize settings for individual applications. Next, tap on Add App. This will bring up a search bar at the top of your screen. Type in WhatsApp and hit Search. When it appears in the results below, select it. Now that you've added WhatsApp, tap on it again to access its specific settings. You will see a section called Display and Text Size. In this section are several options like bold text and button shapes. For our purpose today, tap on Larger Text. Here's where the magic happens. You'll notice a slider below. This slider lets you adjust the font size according to your preference. To make the text smaller, move this slider to the left. Conversely, moving it to the right will increase the text size. As you adjust this slider, WhatsApp will automatically update so you can see how your changes look in real time. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, simply exit out of Settings. The changes will be saved automatically, no need for any extra steps. Now open up WhatsApp and check out how much easier it is to read those messages with your newly adjusted font size. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to increasing font size in WhatsApp using your iPhone. Whether it's for better readability or personal preference, these adjustments can make a significant difference when messaging friends or family. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.